Hi, welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna share with you the settings you can activate in case you're not receiving SMS from Airbnb. So I have a friend who reached out to me and she's trying to verify her phone number, but Airbnb, the messages just won't reach her phone. So now this option worked for her, so you may try it too and see if it works for you. So first you're going to log in onto your Airbnb. You can use phone. I'm using my browser for now, and I'm going to switch to hosting. So when I switch to hosting, I'm going to go here and click that navigation menu. So when you click on the menu, you're going to go to account settings, and I'll click on account settings. Then on the left hand side, you're going to see notifications, and I'll just click on notifications. Now here you can see you have offers and updates, then you have account. So we shall first try with the account, and then you can edit this account activity. Make sure that SMS is checked. Login activity, make sure that SMS is checked. Host policies, also make sure that SMS is checked. So same applies to offers and updates. If you want to receive them via SMS, you're just gonna click edit and then enable SMS. You can also enable phone calls if you want, So you scroll this. Once you enable this, specifically if the one on the account, go back and try verifying again and see if Airbnb sends you an SMS and it comes through. So after doing this, you're just going to click on done. So you can use the same option on phone. You basically just have to go to your account settings, notifications, and then enable all that. So thank you for watching, and I hope it helps you. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. And if these don't work, feel free to contact Airbnb customer care and they will assist you in the verification process.